love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? It's fun to sing the ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Oh boy, that was fun. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Hello, friend. The doors are locked. The doors are unlocked. The doors are locked. The doors are unlocked. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Goodbye.
Oh.
I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Q copies.
I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Coming up next. These are 1, 2, 3. 3 copies. Talkie Barney.
Hello again to all my friends.
like a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Let's find something blue. Will you make a sound like a drum? Boom, boom. Please look for something red. You're stupendous. You're stupendous. It's fun to use your imagination.
This is favorite toys.
Remember, I love you.
This is second copy. This is second copy.
Hello again to all my friends. Let's find something orange with you. Next, run like Baby Bop. Let's look for something square. Will you make a sound like a horse? Neigh, neigh. Pretend to tiptoe like a duck. Quack, quack. Let's find something round. Pretend to jump like a donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Please make a noise like a train. Choo, choo. Will you look for something brown? I like playing with you. Please make a sound like a fire engine. Let's find something purple. Pretend to run like a pig. Oink, oink. Please make a sound like a cow. Moo, moo. Let's try another one. Let's make a noise like a mouse. Squeak, squeak. Please find something black. Let's make a sound like a horse. Neigh, neigh. Try to jump like a duck. Quack, quack. Please look for something blue. I like playing with you. Will you point to something red? Let's make a noise like a sheep. Bah, bah. Next, tiptoe like a duck. Quack, quack. Let's make a noise like a pig. Oink, oink. Next, find something orange. Please make a noise like a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Try to crawl like me. Let's try another one. Next, make a noise like a motorcycle. Vroom, vroom. Will you find something white? Please make a sound like a fire engine. Try to jump like a kitty. Meow, meow. You're stupendous. You're super duper. Please hug me again. Remember, I love you.
Third copy.
Hello again to all my friends. Will you find something round? Let's jump like a donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Next, make a sound like a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Will you find something purple? Next, jump like a pig. Oink, oink. Will you make a sound like a rooster? Cock-a-doodle-doo. You're super duper.
This is 1992 to 93.
Please hug me again. You're super duper. Remember, I love you. Let's try another one.
One, two, three, four, five. 5 copies. 1994, 95, 96, 97.
You're super duper. I like playing with you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 copies. This is first copies.
Hello again to all my friends. Will you find something purple? Let's make a noise like a donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Try to run like Baby Bop. Will you look for something blue? I like playing with you. Let's make a sound like a drum. Next, point to something red. Pretend to walk like a donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Please make a noise like a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Let's find something square. You're super duper. Please hug me again. It's fun to use your imagination. You are my very special friend. Remember, I love you.
This is second copy.
Hello again to all my friends. Will you make a sound like a kitty? Meow, meow. Next, look for something black. Try to run like a donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Will you make a noise like a train? Choo, choo. I like playing with you. Please point to something white. Next, make a sound like a pig. Oink, oink. Try to walk like a duck. Quack, quack. Will you look for something orange? Let's make a noise like a kitty. Meow, meow. You're stupendous. I like playing with you. Use your imagination. You are my very special friend. Please hug me again. Remember, I love you.
This is third copy.
You're super duper.
My fourth copy.
Hello again to all my friends. Let's look for something purple. Try to run like a duck. Quack, quack. Will you make a sound like a kitty? Meow, meow. Please point to something yellow. Next, make a noise like a mouse. Squeak, squeak. Will you find something purple? Let's jump like a kitty. Meow, meow. Will you make a noise like a cow? Moo, moo. Pretend to run like a donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Will you make a sound like a telephone? Ring, ring. I like playing with you. Let's walk like a duck. Quack, quack. Please point to something square. Will you make a sound like a fire engine? Next, crawl like a monkey. Please find something brown. You're stupendous. You are my very special friend. Please hug me again. It's fun to use your imagination. Please hug me again. You're stupendous. You're super duper. Please hug me again. Remember, I love you.
My fifth copy.
Hello again to all my friends. Please find something white. Will you make a noise like a train? Choo, choo. Try to walk like me. Will you find something purple? Next, make a noise like a telephone. Ring, ring. Let's point to something square. Will you make a noise like a horse? Neigh, neigh. You're stupendous. You're stupendous. Please hug me again. You're stupendous. You are my very special friend. You're stupendous. Remember, I love you.
My six copies.
Hello again to all my friends. Please point to something square. Let's make a noise like a train. Choo, choo. Next, walk like a duck. Quack, quack. Let's point to something brown. You're super duper. Please hug me again. Remember, I love you.
This is Talkin' Barney Rare, 1997, 1998. This is pretty rare. This too neat.
You're stupendous. try another one. Let's try another one. Hello again to all my friends. You're Stu Pandas. Make a noise like a mouse. Squeak, squeak. Will you find something yellow? Next, walk like a duck. Quack, quack. Please make a sound like a pig. Oink, oink. Let's look for something orange. You're Stu Pandas. You're super. You are my very special friend. You're Stu Pandas. You're super duper. It's fun to use your imagination. You're Stu Pandas. Please hug me again. You are my very special friend. You're super duper. It's fun to use your imagination. You are my very special friend. You're super duper. It's fun to use your imagination. You're Stu Pandas. Remember, I love you.
This is Microsoft Academy's Barney.
It's so good to see you. Please squeeze my middle toe to sing a song. Thank you. Let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now I can't. Oh, there you are. Let's play. Let's play this where peekaboo. I see you. Let's play. Squeeze my hand and I'll point like a pig. Let's sing. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Let's play. Squeeze my hand and I'll count with you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We counted to 20. Good job. Squeeze my middle toe to sing a song. Good night.